Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Guys, how are we even supposed to keep up with all this? I mean, 1 minute we're doing algebra, then we jump into World War II history, and now I'm supposed to write an essay on photosynthesis.
Yeah, I feel the same. My brain's all over the place. One moment it's numbers, next it's names and dates. I keep forgetting which subject I'm on.
I get it, Ali. Sometimes I feel the same, like my brain is in 5 places at once. It's like our minds are trying to juggle too much. There's no flow, just chaos.
Why does studying feel so disconnected? Shouldn't knowledge just be one simple thing, like one big book of truth?
Actually, that's exactly what knowledge used to be like. In the past, people saw all knowledge, math, science, philosophy, medicine, as one huge field. Everything was taught together without clear subjects. It was confusing, overwhelming, like what we're feeling now. And that's where Imam Muḥammad ibn Ali ibn Hussein, Imam Baqir, came in. They called him Baqir al-Ulum, the splitter of knowledge, because he did something revolutionary. He organized knowledge. He divided it into clear subjects: medicine, law, theology, sciences, so students could understand better. Imam Baqir's work wasn't just for his time, it's the foundation of how we learn today. The way schools separate subjects into maths, science, history, that idea comes from him. Without it, learning would still be a blur of confusion.
So, Imam Baqir helped us organize knowledge. That's why we have different books, teachers, and even departments in universities.
Exactly, and not just that. Imam Baqir also taught that real knowledge is the one that connects us to our purpose. That we shouldn't just fill our minds, but also purify our hearts.
From the 7th century to today's classrooms, Imam Baqir's wisdom continues to shape how we learn. His vision made knowledge a path, not a maze, a journey of discovery, not confusion.